Hi folks, and welcome to Steve's Top Days Out. I came across this Norton at the motorcycle mega meet at Popham Airfield. Sadly, the owner wasn't around to find out anything about it. If you have any info or thoughts about this model, then please drop me a line in the comments section below. I'm eager to find out more. I get the impression that the owner has put their own personal touches to it. Happy to be proved wrong if indeed this is an original spec. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of my top days out.